When you think about the future of cars, one name instantly pops up: Tesla. And when you think about pure driving pleasure, performance heritage, and luxury craftsmanship, it's almost impossible not to mention BMW. But what happens when these two giants go head to head? One represents the future, while the other represents decades of perfected engineering. This isn't just a comparison, it's a clash of philosophies, a battle between innovation and tradition, between software and mechanical mastery. And today, we're breaking it all down in the ultimate showdown. Let's start with identity, because that's where the biggest difference lies. Tesla is not just a car company, it's a tech company on wheels. Led by Elon Musk, Tesla has completely changed how people think about cars. It's no longer about engines, exhaust sounds, or gear shifts. Instead, it's about software, artificial intelligence, over-the-air updates, and the idea that your car can actually improve over time. On the other side, BMW has been around for over a century, building a legacy rooted in precision engineering and driving excellence. Their slogan, "The Ultimate Driving Machine," isn't just marketing, it reflects a deep philosophy focused on performance, balance, and driver engagement. So right from the start, we see two completely different approaches. Tesla is all about software and innovation, while BMW is all about engineering and tradition. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get really exciting. Tesla vehicles, especially models like the Tesla Model 3 Performance and the Tesla S Plaid, deliver mind-blowing acceleration. We're talking 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in under 3 seconds, and in some cases, even under 2 seconds. That's hypercar-level speed. The reason behind this insane performance is simple. Electric motors deliver instant torque. There's no waiting, no gear shifts, no delay, just pure, immediate power the moment you press the pedal. In contrast, BMW takes a more traditional approach. Their performance comes from finely tuned engines, inline sixes, V8s, and now hybrid systems as well. Cars like the BMW M3 and BMW M5 are engineered not just for speed, but for balance, handling, and precision. So here's the key difference. Tesla feels like a rocket launching forward, while BMW feels like a perfectly calibrated instrument responding to every input. If you love straight-line speed, Tesla clearly wins. But if you love cornering, control, and the art of driving, BMW still holds the crown.
Moving on to driving experience, the contrast becomes even clearer. Driving a Tesla feels like stepping into the future. The interior is dominated by a large touchscreen with almost no physical buttons. Even simple functions are controlled digitally. It's minimal, it's clean, and it feels like you're operating a giant smartphone. Then there's Tesla's autopilot system, which can steer, accelerate, brake, and even change lanes on highways. While it's not fully autonomous yet, it's one of the most advanced driver assistance systems available today. On the flip side, BMW focuses on connection. When you sit behind the wheel of a BMW, you feel the road. The steering gives feedback, the throttle responds precisely, and the entire car feels alive. BMW's driver assistance systems are there, but they don't try to replace you. They're designed to support you. So once again, the philosophy is clear. Tesla lets the car do the work, while BMW puts you in control. Let's talk about interior and comfort next, because this is where personal preference really comes into play. Tesla interiors are extremely minimal. Clean dashboards, a single central screen, and almost no clutter. For some people, this feels modern and refreshing. For others, it can feel too empty, almost like something is missing. In contrast, BMW interiors are rich, detailed, and luxurious. You get premium materials, ambient lighting, physical controls, and a cockpit that's clearly designed around the driver. Sitting inside a BMW feels like stepping into a luxury environment, while sitting inside a Tesla feels like stepping into the future. So the question becomes, do you prefer luxury and craftsmanship or simplicity and modern design? When it comes to technology, this is where Tesla truly shines. Tesla vehicles receive over-the-air updates, meaning your car can gain new features, improved performance, and bug fixes without ever visiting a service center. Tesla also leads in software integration, navigation systems, charging optimization, and AI-driven features. Meanwhile, BMW has made significant progress with its iDrive system and digital displays. It's advanced, polished, and user-friendly, but it still feels like traditional automotive technology evolving into the modern era, rather than being built from scratch for it. Tesla, on the other hand, feels like it was designed for the future from day one. So, in terms of tech, Tesla is ahead of the curve, while BMW is catching up but still very competitive. Now let's discuss range and efficiency, which are crucial in today's world. Tesla has mastered efficiency better than almost any other automaker. Their vehicles often deliver more range compared to competitors with similar battery sizes. Plus, Tesla's supercharger network makes long-distance travel far more convenient, especially in developed regions. BMW is entering the EV space with models like the BMW i4 and BMW iX, and they are genuinely impressive. However, Tesla still maintains an edge in range optimization and charging infrastructure. That said, BMW offers petrol and hybrid options as well, which gives buyers more flexibility, especially in areas where charging infrastructure is still developing. So Tesla is ideal for a full EV lifestyle, while BMW offers more variety. When it comes to reliability and maintenance, both brands have their strengths and weaknesses. Tesla vehicles have fewer moving parts, no engine, no oil changes, and fewer mechanical components overall. This theoretically means lower maintenance. However, Tesla has faced criticism for build quality issues and service delays in certain regions. BMW, on the other hand, has a well-established global service network. You know where to go and you know what to expect. But maintenance costs, especially for performance models, can be quite high. So it's a trade-off. Tesla offers simplicity and lower maintenance, while BMW offers reliability and service, but at a higher cost.
Now let's talk about price and value. Tesla vehicles may seem expensive upfront, but when you factor in fuel savings, lower maintenance, and continuous software updates, they can be quite cost-effective over time. BMW vehicles, especially in the luxury and M segments, can be significantly more expensive, not just to purchase, but also to maintain. However, BMW offers a much wider range of vehicles, from entry-level sedans to high-end luxury machines, giving buyers more options to choose from. Tesla's lineup, while growing, is still relatively limited. So Tesla delivers value through technology and efficiency, while BMW delivers value through variety and luxury. Finally, let's not forget brand image, because this matters more than people think. Tesla is seen as innovative, futuristic, and bold. Owning a Tesla feels like being part of a movement, a step toward the future. BMW, on the other hand, is seen as prestigious, refined, and performance-driven. Owning a BMW feels like a symbol of success, a statement of taste and appreciation for engineering excellence. So, in many ways, your choice also reflects your personality. Tesla appeals to those who are forward-thinking and tech-savvy, while BMW appeals to those who value tradition, performance, and luxury. So now comes the big question: which one should you choose? If you love technology, want a futuristic experience, care about sustainability, and enjoy instant acceleration, then Tesla is the clear choice. But if you love driving, appreciate precision engineering, want luxury and comfort, and enjoy being fully in control of your car, then BMW remains unbeatable. In the end, this isn't just a battle between two brands, it's a deeper conflict between future and tradition, software and mechanical mastery, automation and human connection. And the truth is, there's no single winner, because the best car isn't the one with the best specs, it's the one that matches you. The real question isn't Tesla or BMW. The real question is, are you ready for the future, or do you still love the thrill of driving?